A mass grave with the remains of over 60 battle-scarred Nazi soldiers killed in action during World War II has been unearthed in Poland. Containing the skeletons of 66 German troops, the grisly find in the town of Barbaro in southwest Poland includes the meager possessions the men had on them before being shot. Archaeologists exhuming the grave came across dog tags, parts of uniforms, coins, swastika badges, shoes, a whistle and a chain with a lucky horseshoe. Many of the helmets had bullet holes in them and some of the skeleton's bones were broken. On one, archaeologists also found a tourniquet. The soldiers are thought to have died in battle with Red Army soldiers in February and March 1945, as the end of the war approached. At that time, the front was passing through the Glubkseist district which the Soviets were attacking. It has now been revealed that although the grave was known about for a long time, it had been forgotten about. Adam Bialas from the Polmost Historical and Archaeological Research Workshop which found the grave said, "For some time the graves were taken care of by the parish, but eventually they were forgotten." The soldiers' graves were supposed to be located along the cemetery fence. But after an on-site inspection, the graves did not physically exist. Fortunately, an elderly inhabitant of Barbaro pointed out where, according to his knowledge, the graves had been, but were leveled in the 1980s and 1990s. Before World War II, Barbaro was called Bauerwitz and belonged to Germany. During the war, 4 prisoner-of-war subcamps and a forced labor camp operated in the town. It was taken over by the Red Army on March 29, 1945. The discovered remains will be buried at the German Soldiers' War Cemetery in Natalis Wielkie near Wrocław probably in the spring of next year, say Polmost, who search for the graves of soldiers and civilians from World War II. The group carries out exhumations mainly in the western part of Poland. The archaeologists suggest that Barbaro is probably not the only place in the district where German soldiers killed in battle are buried and are asking for help from anyone who has any information regarding the exact location of other graves. Bialas said, "We have general information about the graves in neighboring villages in the Barbaro community, but we lack specifics."
So that was all for today's video. Let us know what you think about it in the comments section and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our latest uploads. With that said, we will see you next time. Until then, take care.